Getty Images partners with Amazon to provide images from its catalog of 200 digital pics for searches on the Echo Show and Echo Spot. Ingrid London, TechCrunch, Techmeme. Researchers disclose zero-day flaw allowing remote code execution on security cameras running Nuuo software. Say hundreds of thousands of devices may be affected. Charlie Osborne, ZDNet. Testing shows app launch times on the iPhone 5s, iPhone 6 Plus, and iPad mini to improve between 7% and 27% after installing iOS 12. Andrew Cunningham, Ars Technica. iOS 12 officially launches out of beta, with faster performance, screen time, smart notifications, Memoji, Siri shortcuts, improved privacy in Safari, more. Julie Clover, Macrumors. Techmeme. Facebook expands its bug bounty program to include third-party apps and services that involve improper exposure of Facebook user access tokens. Lily Hay Newman acquired. A startup Blippar announces the close of a $37 million financing round, bringing total raised to $137 million. The company says it hopes to reach profitability in 12 months. Jordan Crook, TechCrunch. Italian court sentences a man who sold hospitality businesses fake reviews on TripAdvisor to 9 months in jail. David Meyer, Fortune. Freightos, a marketplace for logistics providers that lets users book, manage and track shipments, raises $44.4 million Series C led by Singapore Exchange. Catherine Shu, TechCrunch. Techmeme. Sources: Flipkart has held early-stage talks with Indian video streaming service Hotstar about acquiring a stake in the company. Mihir Dalal, LiveMint. C-Sense, a startup that helps customers understand and visualize their data across multiple sources, raises $80 million Series E led by Insight Venture Partners. Ron Miller, TechCrunch. Amazon adds a new section to its website called Amazon Storefronts, a retail hub exclusive to SMBs from US, featuring 1M+ products from approximately 20k companies. Chaim Gartenberg, The Verge. Techmeme. Security researcher finds a new CSS-based attack that crashes and restarts iPhones after malicious HTML is rendered, like when a user visits a malicious link. Catalin Simpanu, ZDNet.